Hello, I'm Vincent White. I'm an employment attorney, and we are answering COVID-related questions today. I think we're on number 7 or number 8, so we're really starting to roll, starting to get some answers out there. Here's this question. I've been working from home since the pandemic started, and it's been going great. Things have loosened up a bit, and my employer wants us to come back to the office now. But I'm in the high-risk group with a severe illness, and I don't think it's safe for me to go in yet. Are they required to make any accommodations for me? So I have a whole nother video on this, but yes, the short answer is yes. They are required to give you accommodations, and that's going to be true in any jurisdiction. So federal law, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and a whole web of laws spanning the nation require that employers give you what's called a reasonable accommodation. Now, if you have a comorbidity, if you're at risk for very serious complications with COVID, right? If you're someone who has a disability who makes you more likely to die or have very serious consequences from COVID, then you are due a reasonable accommodation. And I have a whole nother video on this, really in depth, about how and why now is the time to get your work from home accommodation. And the long and the short of it is, how can they say it's not reasonable to work from home as your accommodation, as required by your doctor, when you've been doing it for the past 3 months and absolutely crushing it, putting up numbers, killing it, making gains, really doing great, right? How can they say it's not reasonable when you've got the proof? I just did it. Went really well. I don't want to die, so I want to keep doing it. Let me succeed for you, right? That's the argument. What part of that's not reasonable? I would like to keep doing an incredible job for you from home so I don't die. Sounds reasonable to me. How are they going to argue with that? I don't even understand. What's the counter argument? But we really want you here? That's not an intelligent argument. I can't imagine that carrying the day, right? So, yes, they are required to make accommodations for you. You have rights. Speak to an employment attorney. Speak to your doctor, get your accommodation request in writing, get a letter from your doctor saying what you need with specificity, and if they don't just say yes, well, give me a call, or give any employment attorney a call, frankly. You have leverage. Make sure they keep you safe. This isn't worth dying for. No job is worth dying for.